Ever wondered if you're truly happy and fulfilled? It's a common question that often pops up when we pause and think about our lives. The struggles of choosing the right path or career still haunts the majority of us, including actors like Imran Khan. Imran Khan's disappearance from the big screen 9 years ago was heartbreaking for a lot of his fans. But now he is gearing up to make a comeback with Veer Das's comedy film produced by Aamir Khan. But why did Imran Khan quit Bollywood? Let me tell you his story. Imran Khan, originally named Imran Pal, was born on January 13, 1983 in Madison, Wisconsin, USA. His parents are Anil Pal, a software engineer, and Nuzhat Khan, a psychologist. His family background is diverse, with a Bengali grandfather from Kolkata and British grandmother. When Imran was little, his parents split and his mom headed to Mumbai. She was remarried to actor Raj Sudshi, who was like a father figure to him. But school wasn't always smooth sailing for Imran. He had a hard time adjusting, got a stammer, and even had some facial twitches. His mom sent him off to a boarding school in Kunnur, Tamil Nadu. It was a bit of struggle at first, but he eventually got the hang of it. He hopped around a few schools and even ended up in a Gurukul in Ooty. All that moving around made him independent but also made him feel lonely. Imran's early years were dedicated to carving out a successful career in the entertainment industry. Imran started as a child actor and starred in movies like Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, playing young Aamir Khan in both the films. Upon graduation, he wanted to pursue filmmaking and attended the New York Film Academy in LA. While at Acting Institute, Khan connected with people in the industry. One of them was writer-director Abbas Tyrewala, who saw potential in Imran and casted him in the lead role of Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na. The movie was a hit and Imran won the Best Male Debut at the 54th Filmfare Awards. After his breakout role in Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, Imran Khan starred in various films like Kidnap, where he played a kidnapper seeking revenge. Despite facing initial doubts about the role, Khan's performance was praised, even though the movie didn't do well at the box office. Things took a positive turn with I Hate Love Story and Delhi Belly. Both were successful films for Khan, earning praise for his role as critics found his performance refreshing. The Chocolate Boy had his own ups and downs in his career and finally stopped at Katti Batti. According to him, some of those films didn't click with the audiences back then because they were looking for a different kind of masculinity. Critics also called his acting a bit stiff, but he proudly noted that his characters have aged well, unlike some others. He stressed that crafting such roles and scripts needed talented writers and directors who are passionate about telling those stories. What made him quit Bollywood? There are a lot of factors that made the actor quit. One of them is the film industry's obsession with money. He mentioned how everything from publicity to management revolves around financial gains. How much an actor makes from movies, endorsements, and even small gigs like ribbon-cutting events. This money-focused mindset, he explained, becomes the main measure of success. Despite being in this world, Imran realized that his passion for films wasn't about the money. Imran Khan expressed his openness to trying new paths, even if they were unfamiliar. He felt grateful for the financial stability he gained from working in films, which allowed him to think beyond money. With his financial needs sorted, he could ponder over questions like who he wanted to become and what kind of life he wanted to lead. He spent his 20s working on his career but felt a shift in focus during his 30s. Life circumstances led him to a point where he felt a lack of fulfillment. The other reason the actor quit was mental health. Imran opened up about tough times he faced from 2016 to 2017 and how it made him prioritize his mental well-being. He pointed out that being an actor is a choice, but taking care of mental health is not optional, it's essential. Imran shared that battling severe depression made simple tasks feel monumental. Simple tasks like getting up in the morning, brushing your teeth, and taking a shower. After staying out of the public eye for 4 years, Imran made headlines in 2019 when rumors about his marriage surfaced. He chose not to comment, but his silence was taken as guilt. He clarified the rumors about him and Lekha Washington were true and that he's been divorced and separated since February 2019. This is the first time he's been talking about it publicly, hoping to stop the negativity. Since stepping back from films, Imran has made significant lifestyle changes. He moved from his luxurious Pali Hill bungalow to a more modest apartment in Bandra. He also opted for a simpler life by selling his Ferrari. And now, he's making a comeback and we wish him all the luck. His journey mirrors a common theme in many people's lives: the quest for authenticity and battling inner demons. His challenges connect with people who have also questioned their paths, seeking fulfillment beyond what society expects. What are your thoughts on his journey? Let us know in the comment section. This is Leena signing off.